Hi Rupali.
Hi.
Hi Manjri.
Hi.
Hi Sana.
Hi.
Hi ma'am, I would like to ask you a few questions on your journey to motherhood. How has being a mother changed your perspective on work?
I think it's taught me to value the quality of time more than the quantity, and committing to 4 deep hours of work really early morning or very late in the night. That's when I get unobstructed view to dive deep into my work.
What was your initial reaction when you found out you were going to be a mother?
When I found out that I was going to be a mother, I was with mix of emotions, very excited as I was going to get a new life into this world, and I was filled with immense joy and emotions.
What's one thing you wish people understood better about balancing motherhood and career?
Balancing motherhood and career isn't about perfecting all the time. It's about finding your rhythm, making choices that fit your family, and being okay with prioritizing differently as needed. Support from society, like flexible work setups and accessible childcare, can ease this juggle.
What are 3 words you would use to describe your experience of motherhood?
Love, caring, protective, and strong.
Can you please share a piece of advice you received from your own mother that has been particularly valuable to you?
I think one thing that I really remember her telling me was that you give everything you have to your family, each and every bit of you, but you make sure that you stay true to your goals and realize them. Because if you're empty, you're an empty vessel, you can't give anything. So you've got to be happy and create your own identity with your own work and never give up on that. If you want to give more love, you need to feel more loved.
Who are your role models for parenting and what have you learned from them?
My parents and my in-laws are my main role models. Parents are a knowledge bank. Through their experience, I have learned to embrace the challenges that comes while raising a child and cherish every moment.
What's the most rewarding aspect of being a mother?
Watching the little one grow, learn, and beam with happiness, seeing them hit milestones, explore the world, and blossom into their own person, it fills your heart with pure joy. And that bond, it's magical. Nothing beats the love and connection between mother and the child.
How do you recharge and take time for yourself amidst your responsibilities?
I think, while practicing gratitude, I soak in gratitude most of the time. I think that's somewhere become my first nature, and that helps me take more. I feel more recharged, and everything that I do with kids or at work translates into receiving more than giving anything. That keeps me going, and that probably is my recharge mantra.
Is there a message or advice you would like to give to new mothers at Maisonsia?
Yes. Motherhood is the best phase in a woman's life. Just live the moment.
All the new moms at Mesosia, you are doing great. Trust your instincts, be kind to yourself, and ask for help whenever you need. Your love is what matters most. Cherish every moment. You are not alone in this journey, and always remember you are doing your best. There's no need to blame yourself because all of us go through the same thing.
Also give advice to the new mothers at Maisonsia is to be calm, composed, and just be strong, be loving, caring, and you will overcome it.
You know, it's ungovernable. Quality over quantity. Always value that more. Soak in gratitude. Make a vision board for yourself and put it on a wall where you wake up every day and you can see it. And those should be your visions where you want to be as an individual. Never look for validation outside of yourself. It's only you and you who can validate and appreciate what you're doing. And trust me, you're doing a lot. And take good care of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for answering all the questions, and you look beautiful today.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.